Hey, come on with that 50 block.
What up, YouTube? You know what it is. You know who it is. When I get 400 horses, I'ma do this. I'ma do that. I'ma do this. When I do this, look at all this heat up here. You got. All right. If you didn't know, now you know.
Hey, 1, 2, 3.
Way I'm gonna go. Give me your beat.
Camaro gang, thank y'all for tuning in. If you didn't know, now you know. What up, YouTube? Y'all know what it is. You know who it is. It's the Ginger 31 to be exact. Oh, got this on because I'm at work or whatever. But check this out. We was down there in Mexico once again getting it in, you know what I'm saying? But look, I didn't really get it in. I lined up. I wanted to get it in, but all I really got to do was a couple test hits, which is cool. Just filling out the street race of the track. Really don't remember what part. Okay, right there. So yeah, it was a nice, nice turnout. Definitely Maro's getting it in as always, man. So I'm gonna call this one too. Again, what? Maro's versus the world. You dig? Oh shit. Basically, it was a lot of Maro on Maro crime. Everybody want to see where they Camaros stack up at against each other because the rest of the cars was just down there basically being a spectator or whatnot, which is cool. But, you know, so many spectators gets the Mexico police to get us to get up out of there, you know, and then we got to find another location, this and that. And then by that time, I'm pretty much burnt out. So I want to appreciate that. You know, how y'all think about, you know, I'm going down seeing some different stuff. We ain't also just road racing all the time. We also getting some digs in too. Some new content, because everybody don't like road racing. Some people want to see some digs. So I got it all, man. Hey, if you're looking for it, come to me, the Ginger, you dig? Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for subscribing, supporting, and all of that. Y'all watching my shorts, blowing them joints up. Them shorts should be bringing y'all back, right back to here. So anyway, anyhow, thank y'all for tuning in again. I'm the Ginger, and I'm out.